Good morning students. Today we are going to discuss a new chapter of your first book, and the title of the chapter is The Alien Planet, the Green Movement's Role. Students, today we are going to discuss about the importance of green movement in our life, and in this chapter you will learn how this earth is going to be ill and who is responsible for this. Only human being is responsible for this problem. So in this chapter we shall discuss about all these issues. Okay, so first we are going to discuss about the brief introduction to the chapter. So let's start about the brief introduction of the chapter. The writer underlines the damage man has done to the planet on which he lives. Students, first point which is given here, in this point this is described that we are living on this planet and we are deteriorating the condition of this planet day by day. Only human being is responsible for this destruction. So this is given in the first point, and this is totally described in this first point that human being is responsible for such a condition on this earth. Now next point, he means human being. Human being has destroyed forest, fisheries, grassland and croplands. Now you should come to know that these four things are the column of this earth, and you are watching here fisheries, forest, grasslands and croplands. All these things are destroyed by human beings. So again the poet wants to the writer is describing about it that human being is responsible for this whole problem. Further the poet is saying, the writer is saying, the destruction of forest has led to the extinction of many wild species. Now the writer is describing again one by one. First he is describing about the forest, that what happens if the forest will be extincted, or if the forest will disappear from this earth, then what will happen? This is given over here. The destruction of forests has led to extinction of many wild species. You are watching that the forests are destroying. We are cutting the forest on very high rate. We are not planting the trees. We are just cutting them. And due to that, what is happening? Many wild species are extincting day by day. That is why this is the problem for wild species, because for wild animals or for wild species, the forest is their house, and we are destroying to the house of those wild species and animals. That's why they are extincting. Further, the main factor responsible for this has seen the fast growing population of the world. And now what is the important factor which is affecting to the forest? The writer is describing about the population of the world which is increasing on very high rate. Okay, so only one thing is important which is responsible for the destruction of the forest. It is the fast growing population. Further, this is given, more children does not mean more work, it means more people with no work. So now the writer is describing about population. Okay, so writer is describing about the population, that why the forests are disappearing from this earth. So we should come to know that population is responsible for this destruction of the forest. Now Further, the writer is describing how does it responsible, ये कैसे उत्तरदायी होती है. This is given over here. More children does not mean more people with no work. Means what is this? It means more people with no work. So this is the concept which we should keep in our mind. That's why students, we should come to know that the population is the important factor which always affects to the forest. A forest, now this is important thing, that forest is very important for the survival of the wild animals, not for the wild animals but for the human being also. But that in this lesson the writer is describing about the planet. About which planet? He is describing about the earth, and he is also describing about the deteriorating condition of the earth. It is deteriorating day by day, and who is responsible for that? Human being is responsible for that. So he also pointed out some points over here. I described about this thing. I described about forest, fisheries, grasslands and cropland. I have already described about forest. Forests are disappearing on very high speed. So this is already described. So student, I hope that you have come to know about it. I will send you a PDF file. You will do that PDF files in your fair notebook. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.